What's up, killers? Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite detox water. We're going to be starting with our mint ginger, and I start with slapping the mint because one thing I learned when it comes to really getting the smell out of the mint is to slap that bitch. Yes, you got it right. Slap that bitch. Next, we're going to cut up our ginger, which really helps when it comes to reducing muscle pain. And the one thing I really love about the mint is that it does help to speed up your digestion, and it also supports healthy cholesterol levels. So not only is this water really yummy and refreshing, but it is also going to have major benefits for your health. Next up, we have our lemon blueberry water. The lemon is going to help promote hydration and is a really good source of vitamin C, and also supports weight loss, while the blueberry is really low in calories and is the king of antioxidants. So honey, if you want to look like you're reversing in age, blueberries is something that you definitely want inside of your detox water. Last but not least is my lemon, lime, and grapefruit water. Now this is the queen of vitamin C water. The grapefruit is really low in calories and is also going to provide a significant amount of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while the lemon is going to again promote hydration, is a really good supportive vitamin C, and it helps with the weight loss. And last but not least, the lime is really going to help when it comes to reducing inflammation. It fights infections, lower blood sugar, and reduces heart disease and prevents cancer. I'm a big believer that your medicine comes in herbs and fruits and vegetables, and these detox waters are definitely going to show you that as well. You're really going to see an increase in your energy, a lot of good changes to your body, and this is really going to help you when it comes to eliminating sugar from your diet. I really hope that these tips helped you, and I thank you for watching.